Ladies and gentlemen, this is Red Crops TV, and today I want to show you how you can make money by uh, getting yourself an item, a product you can sell to other people to make money. Please kindly listen very well. The thing is, if you want to make money, you have to provide value for people to come to you. So, what do? You go and purchase an item. You go and purchase an item. Let's say, for instance, you purchase Adidas Yeezys for a wholesale of 2.6 or let me say 2.6, and you sell one. Just 100 cedis. In all, they sell all in the wholesale. Six pair. So you have six sneakers you can sell. So what you do is you sell. If you go to the market, they sell it 2.21 for one pair, for 2.2. But for the greedy ones, they sell it 2.2. But as for you that you think you can sell it and it will benefit the buyer too and yourself, you just sell one for 100 cedis. Imagine if you sell three, you've getting the money you invested in that product. You've taken that part, that 2.6 from the 300 you just sold. So after you take that money away, you still have 3 Adidas Yeezys to sell to your customers. So after you sell the 3 to the customers separate, if you don't have any envelope or any container, you just take a container and write Adidas Yeezys money. So you take the 2.6 when you get the money. When you sell your product, when you get the money, you take it and you put it back in the container. Now you close it and you look for another container for the profit. So let's say, for instance, you get 3.4 for the profit. That one, you also put it in a different container. So all you need to do is just put your money, buy and sell it, and put the money back into the place you found it, and just get profit. So the profit too, you can decide to save it, or you can use it to buy a new, like you can use it to add it. Like for instance, you are going for wholesale 2.6. This time you no go for only 2.6, you go for let me say 2. Let me do calculation right now. So you go for like 2 sacks. The first one, you went for 1 sack. Let me see, you went for 1 sack. That they gave you 2.6. So this time you go for 2 sacks. So now you're having 12 Adidas Yeezys sneakers. So what you do is you sell all. When you get the money used to invest in, you put it in the conco or the container. Then the profit you put it in a different container. So it repeats, the cycle repeats. You do it and you invest the money or you save it. So little by little you'll be getting to somewhere, and I can assure you that you get passive income. But I can also tell you that this business, it could be fast for you, it could be slow for you. All you need to do is have patience. So thank you guys.